Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary educational journey with your child? Look no further than the Lumen Schools, TLS. TLS is a very different and distinct school. With a maximum of 12 students per section and a ratio of 1 teacher for 6 students. Each child is enveloped in an atmosphere of personalized attention, ensuring every mind shines brightly. Our highly qualified and experienced educators ignite the spark of curiosity and guide students towards success. At the Lumen Schools, we don't just teach, we inspire. Our curriculum boasts a unique blend of educational methods, including Montessori, STEAM, and cutting-edge robotics and AI awareness. Step into our lively and engaging classrooms, where learning isn't just a lesson, it's an exhilarating adventure every single day. Choose from our 12 co-curricular and extracurricular clubs, where your child can explore their passions and broaden their horizons beyond the classroom. Rest easy knowing that our school is nestled in a secure gated community, with campus security adhering to the latest protocols for your peace of mind. Discover our sprawling 18-canal park, a haven for outdoor exploration, play, and learning, including kitchen gardening and even a school zoo. Enroll your child at the Lumen Schools today and watch as their brilliance shines brighter than ever before. At the Lumen Schools, we don't just educate, we build the future of your child.